Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Snowman Who Wanted Summer. A snowman stood proudly in the white winter field. He watched children play and laugh under the sun. But he wished to feel warm days and smell flowers. He closed his eyes and dreamed of summer. The sun grew hotter and he began to melt. A little girl gave him her hat for shade. Still he grew smaller and smaller each day. Finally he became a puddle. But he was smiling. For in his heart he had felt summer at last. And when winter returned he rose again with joy. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow.